What's the main aim of the Atlas program?
Well, chronic intestinal failure has been overlooked for too many years. And now it's time that we bring together a group of stakeholders or people, of expert clinicians, of policymakers who are all interested and all ready to work together so that this situation is no longer overlooked and that people with the condition receive the care they deserve.
What key unmet needs did people suffering with the condition identify?
The main unmet need identified by people with this condition was the lack of equality in terms of access to good quality care, and also in terms of access to multidisciplinary teams that we know are the standard for the treatment of this condition.
What are the hurdles to achieving the goals of the Atlas program?
The main hurdle in the care of short bowel syndrome is definitely knowledge. And behind knowledge there is education of healthcare professionals, whatever they are, physicians, nurses, dietitians, in order for them to be able to recognize the condition and provide people with the condition the best care possible. There are other hurdles which have to do with each country's culture and each country's health system organization, like getting access to multidisciplinary teams specialized in that condition.
Why is gut failure not recognized throughout Europe like other organ failures, heart failure, kidney failure? The gut's an organ and it should be recognized, shouldn't it?
Definitely should be recognized the same way. It's not to say that gut is more important than the heart or the lungs, but gut failure was not compatible with prolonged life before. It's only been 40 years since parenteral nutrition, intravenous feeding, was developed, and before that there was no treatment for gut failure. And also there was a problem of definition. When you're talking about heart failure, people have known for years how to diagnose heart failure. It's more difficult for gut failure and the definitions are more recent. But all these combined bring a new hope for people with the condition, because now not only can it be diagnosed earlier and earlier on, but also it receives the high quality treatment.
From what I understand, the hope is that the Atlas program will improve access, will improve parity, so this condition is recognized. What are the next steps to achieve that?
Thanks to the help of people with this condition, we have defined the unmet needs in the care of short bowel syndrome associated intestinal failure. The next step is to know what's happening in different countries. We are trying to define the best care possible. We're going to see how far each country is from that best care. And we're going to try and provide solutions through partly political action to achieve this goal.